welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a full day of eating, pretty much like, you know, my family and I, a full day with us and everything that we eat. I was like originally planning on doing like a mommy and baby edition, so I am going to be showing you guys too what I do for little AJ's breakfast. But first, if you guys are new to our channel, make sure you click subscribe. My name is Anna and we are the Simply Fab fam. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And now let's get into it. In the morning, I normally don't have like a big breakfast. I'm more of like getting all my greens, you know, like a water and lemon type of person. I've been drinking this in the morning. It's a Bubba Greens drink, and it is so amazing because I have tried greens drink before and it would always taste like really strong, like you'll taste all the veggies, and I hate that. So this is juicy tangerine flavored and it is amazing. Like you feel the citrus flavor. Basically what Bubba Greens is, it's a raw superfood powder. It's sweetened naturally with stevia. It's gluten-free, soy-free, and dairy-free. And you guys, if you follow me on the gram, you know I'm big like soy-free type of person. I just like to avoid it as much as I can. Things like this, products and stuff, I do prefer when it's like soy-free. The main thing that I love about having a greens drink in the morning or maybe like before your workout is the fiber. It is so good to make sure, especially for those of you, you know, you're not eating a lot of fruits and veggies. If you're not doing that, then you're most likely not getting enough fiber in your diet. And basically we need fiber so our digestive system could work properly and we could always, you know, be going to the bathroom and getting rid of, you know, the waste pretty much. And if you don't get rid of it, you know, you get like a big tummy, your body is just gonna like feel bloated and you're gonna have issues. So to avoid all that, I just drink my greens in the morning. I also like how it has spirulina. Spirulina is a natural like metal detoxifier. So for like us, we're always like around technology and our computers. Yeah, I've looked into this a lot. You know, radiation is one form of pollution that we can't really see. So it's important to just, understand that your body is basically having to also digest the metal, you know, that's in your environment. Another one I love to always supplement you guys as a superfood is maca powder. And, you know, maca powder is very well known in Peru. And it is used, you know, there's just so many health benefits. Like you can look into it yourself. I'm not gonna get into it, but it's just very healthy and it's very good, you know, for your body. Also goji berry powder. And you guys probably already know about the goji berry. These are antioxidants. And like I said, everything that's gonna keep your body being healthy. It's gonna support your immune system. You know, your mental focus, energy, hormones, like, oh my God, these are all the best things of life that doctors don't tell you, but it's the power of food. You know, it's like, let thy food be the medicine. Like if we use food as preventative measures, we won't need to use food as medicine. You know what I mean? It's just all very interesting, you guys. So yeah, I highly recommend it. I'm gonna leave it linked down below for you guys. So what I like to do is I like to add water, lots of ice, and I add that to my shaker. And then I go ahead and add a scoop of this. All right, since we're doing mommy and baby edition, I'm gonna show you guys lately what we've been doing for AJ's breakfast. Sometimes he'll have a bowl of oatmeal. If he's not having oatmeal, I like to make him some pancakes. This is a really good pancake mix that you just add water. So I like that. I always try to give him his little vitamin. So here he has his little kids superfood, and this is filled with veggies and fruits, lots of greens. He's been really liking it with this organic almond milk. He's been really liking it like that. So I just go ahead, fill it up for him. So I go ahead and I add 1 scoop and then I stir it up. camera in front of him. That's crazy. Yum. Yummy, baby. Yummy. I got this pancake maker from Amazon and it is bomb. It makes it like perfect. So here I am. I added the water and I'm just mixing it. Once it's ready, and place it in there. And that's what you get afterwards. Perfect results. Perfect little pancake. But basically, after that, for my lunch lately, I've been loving meals like chickpea pasta, cold salads, cold pasta salads. I've been loving avocado. I'm using a lot of avocado oil, and what else? Oh, quinoa and kale. Has been my favorite go-to. So you guys are probably gonna see this in this video. But yeah. So right now we're preparing our lunch, and here we have these frozen bags of quinoa and kale, and so we're gonna start making that. Deontay's cutting up some onions. I like his little method. Yeah. Don't mind us using a watermelon knife. We actually like it because it's really sharp. Look at this little man. Oh my goodness. Okay, so what do we have here?
So this is right now, I like to marinate the onions and the vegan burger all together, throw some seasoning on there just to marinate it up before I actually throw the quinoa in, because the quinoa, it doesn't take that long to cook. So I just put the vegan burger and the onions and let it marinate for a little bit.
We also like to add frozen organic broccoli. This is looking so good.
Alright, so this,
we also like to add...
So no, this is some leftover sauce from yesterday. We pretty much are basically eat a lot of the same stuff over and over. We don't really get tired of it. So I'm just mixing some broccoli and some cheese sauce and tomato basil sauce that I'm gonna add to it, but this is just leftovers from yesterday. Mix that up a little bit and then go ahead and add me a little bit more. I don't wanna add too much. That's enough of that. And then I'm gonna add me a little bit of tomato basil.
Watch the shirts.
And that's it. Alrighty. Then we just turn this back on low, mix it up. Last but not least, go ahead and add my quinoa. Mix that up. This is quinoa and spinach. So it's a nice, very healthy meal on this side.
Here we have our yummy bowls. Deontay and I both actually like to eat from bowls. We make them look really healthy and filling, and AJ loves it too.
That looks so good.
That does, it looks amazing. So yeah, here we have, you guys, we got onions, peppers. We got peppers too, we got peppers. We didn't use peppers this time, but normally we do. But basically this is a quinoa and kale and broccoli bowl over rice, over jasmine rice. Love it. So we're gonna get ready to have some lunch. Amazing.
For me, you gotta throw a little bit of hot sauce on mine. Just a little bit. I don't need too much of it. All right, my time to try it out. Very nice, nutritious meal right here.
Aspen's first time seeing, is this a rooster? Looks like it is. Look at the chicken. Hi, sweetie. Good morning. Look at that. It's his first time. You see, being so close to the animals. I brought him to come see. Hi, sweetie. She's eating, AJ.
Yeah.
It's okay. It's okay. They won't do nothing. Oh. Hi, sweetie pie. Hi. Aspen came to meet you. Oh, look at their personalities. Hi, baby. We came to meet you. You look so cute. Hi, cutie pie. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Oh, you're being rough now, huh? Look at the baby goat. AJ, look. AJ, look. AJ, look. That's right. Oh, Aspen. Look at that baby one. Aspen, you're the one who put your hand there. Stop. You're the one who put your hand there. This is the first time my little boy got to come to the farm and see the goats. Hi, cute things. So this is what everything looks like after I have chopped some of these cherry tomatoes. I'm gonna add some avocado, some avocado dices. I'm gonna add some of that too. And yeah, I'm gonna have this over rice. I'm also gonna add this organic coconut amino sauce. Yum, this looks amazing. So Deontay, he cooked up some of this Beyond Meat burgers. So we're having that, rice, salad. This looks so good.
A lot of tomatoes though.
Make sure you got colors in your food. Lots of veggies, beans, iron, fiber. All right, guys, so here is the truth and the reality of being a mom. Normally, this is what we do. AJ either is eating by himself on the counter, on his little table, all his little food, or I am feeding him whatever's on my plate, and which means I get leftovers. Now, I want to share with you guys my snack. So my favorite snack are these Adagio teas. These I love this as a snack. Like, I will either have it, you know, like right before I start working and getting productive, or I'll have it like at night, and it's just like a great treat for me because you guys, if you haven't tried loose leaf teas, you should definitely try this one because it is so flavorful. This one is a delicate flavor of white tea blended with familiar chai flavors and a added zesty notes of lemongrass, coconut, and pineapple. Oh my gosh, did you just hear that? That's what's in my tea. Like, oh, now I finally understand why it's so good. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this, what I eat in a day, what we eat in a day, whatever I'm eating, AJ is usually eating, Deontay is usually eating. That is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. And also be sure to click the bell notifications so you guys are notified each and every time we upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in our next one.